my name is Jessica Gobirima. I read in class 5. My school's name is Lubert High School and College. Today I am going to read a passage. The passage's name is Dudu the Ostrich. Dudu is an ostrich. He is the largest bird in the world. He cannot fly, but he can run faster than any other bird. Thanks to his powerful and long legs, he lives in the African savanna. Dudu's favorite food is seeds, leaves, roots, and grass. He loves to share snacks with his friends, rhinos, hippos, elephants, and giraffes. Thank you.